ready?
Reach up high, touch that sky. Stretch your arm, wing up high. Breathe in slow, breathe out low. Feel the calm. Let it flow.
Let it blow?
Beautiful. Reach for the star. Stretch, stretch, stretch up tall. Breathe in deep. Stand up tall. Arms out wide. Open heart. Stretching is a dancing art.
You're so calm and strong.
Sway so gently left and right. Everything feels soft and light. One more stretch. Here we go. Breathe in slow and let it flow.
Wonderful stretching.
See